Hey guys, it's your girl Majestie and welcome back to my channel. And if you read the title when you called me crazy, just let me explain. Yes, winter is my favorite season. Yes, I'm from the Caribbean, but it doesn't mean I need to love the hot weather. Okay, I lied, I love the hot weather, but just let me explain. I'm from London, so summer over here, it don't exist. It just does not exist. And if it does exist, it's just so hot, like you can't cool yourself down. There is no solution. You be chewing on ice, only your tongue is getting cold. You wear shorts, you wear t-shirt, you're still hot. Like it's just so hot, no breeze, no nothing. It's drying you out. But when I go back home now, when I go to Jamaica, yes, the sun's hot, but I'm able to cool myself down. There is breeze with it, okay? So it's all good. But let me tell you why winter is my favorite season. One, I'm able to keep myself warm. Hoodie, blanket, hot chocolate, I'm good to go. Done. Self-warm, heating on, done. I'm good. I can't do that in the summer. I can't keep myself cool. It just doesn't work. So I'm able to handle the winter because I'm able just to keep myself warm. There's solutions, okay? Second reason would be fashion. My fashion sense in the winter, oh my days. If you haven't realized, I love a hoodie. I just love wearing hoodies, cardigans, jumpers, everything. A good tracksuit also. I just love a tracksuit. You know, I'm able to wear all my trainers. I have so much trainers and I barely wear them. So I'm able to wear them most in the winter because I have a load of hoodies to go with them. So matching. That's basically my fashion. You know, my boots, everything, and my jackets. My mum cusses me a lot because I have so much jackets, but that's when I get to wear them. When I can't wear a jacket in summer, so that's when I get to wear them in the winter. Like I have so much that the other day I had to buy them in vacuum bags. You know when you have to put your jacket in the bag and then vacuum it out with air? Yeah, I had to do that for my jackets the other day because that's how much I have and I had no space in my wardrobe. But hey, it's winter now, so you know I get to wear my jackets. But yeah, that's why I just love it. Fashion sense, done. Love it. Hoodies, everything. And if you haven't guessed the last one, Christmas. Christmas. And don't judge me, okay? Aren't you a bit too big for Christmas? No, I'm not. You don't have to be a child to love Christmas. I love everything about Christmas. Decorating the house, cooking, baking, shopping, wrapping gifts. I love it all. I love every single bit about it. Especially just going out and shopping and just thinking what you're buying is gonna make someone smile. Especially my brother. I love buying stuff for my brother. I think most of my gifts or most of my money just goes to my brother because I just like buying him gifts and just imagining how he's gonna open it and how he's gonna react. It really does make me smile. So I just love buying gifts for people and just knowing how they're just gonna react to it and how they're gonna like it. Because trust me, I'm a good gift giver. That's the word, right? Good gift giver. I'm really good at giving gifts. So I know you, I know what you're gonna like, so I give it to you and I just know how you're gonna act. So yeah, I just love everything about it. Just why wouldn't you love winter? Okay, apart from getting cold, which if you just keep yourself warm, you wouldn't be cold. What is there not to love? There is so much to love about it. I also love that it also brings family together because of Christmas also. You know, just all snuggled up on the sofa watching movies. Oh my days. I just love winter. Winter. I love it. I love it. Call me crazy if you want to. My family does it enough. My friends do it enough. I don't care. I love winter. But thank you for tuning into this video, guys. And be sure to come back also if you liked it. Be sure to like it, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in another video. Bye.